Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make authentic flan. First, let's create the essential caramel base. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar. Melt it gently in a saucepan over medium heat until it transforms into a beautiful amber liquid. Immediately pour this hot caramel into a 9-inch round baking dish, swirling it to evenly coat the bottom. Let it cool and harden. This forms the delicious foundation for our flan. Next, we'll prepare the rich and creamy custard. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs, 2 egg yolks, and 1 cup of granulated sugar until just combined. In a separate saucepan, gently warm 2 cups of whole milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs. Finally, strain the custard through a fine mesh sieve for a perfectly smooth consistency. Now it's time to bake our flan to perfection. Carefully pour the strained custard mixture over the hardened caramel in your 9-inch round baking dish. Place this dish into a larger roasting pan. Then, very carefully, add hot water to the roasting pan, ensuring it reaches about halfway up the sides of your flan dish. This creates a crucial water bath. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 50 to 60 minutes, or until set. The final steps involve chilling and serving your delicious flan. Once baked, remove the flan from the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack at room temperature. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to ensure it's perfectly set and cold. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edge of the dish to loosen it. Place a serving plate on top and invert the flan, letting that beautiful caramel sauce flow over it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.